Good morning, all of you. This is Rachna Saxena from Faculty of Education, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Moradabad. In my last lecture, I have described teacher effectiveness, and in the present lecture, I will describe accountability in teacher education. But first of all, I will discuss what is accountability. Accountability refers to the obligation or responsibility of individuals, organizations, or the institutions to account for their action, accept responsibility for them, and disclose the results in a transparent manner. It involves being answerable for the outcomes of the decision, policies, and the actions of relevant stakeholders, which may include the public, customers, employees, or the government bodies. I must say, accountability ensures that power is exercised appropriately, that those in position of authority are held to a standard of conduct and the performance. In a personal context, I must say accountability means taking ownership of one's action and their consequences, whether they are the virtue or the vice. It involves acknowledging mistakes, learning from them, and making amends when necessary. This sense of responsibility fosters trust and integrity, both in personal relationship and professional environment. In the organization, accountability is crucial for effective governance and the management. It ensures that resources are used efficiently, goals are met, and ethical standards are maintained. When employees are held accountable, they are more likely to be committed to their tasks, leading to the highest productivity and better outcomes. And if I'm saying in the public sector, so in the public sector, accountability is a cornerstone of democratic governance. Elected officials and the public servants are accountable to the citizens that they serve. They must justify their decisions and the actions, particularly when public resources are involved. This transparency is vital for maintaining public trust and ensuring that governments act in the best interest of their constituents. Accountability also play a key role in the global context where international organizations, corporations and the government must be accountable for their impact on the government, human rights and global welfare. As global challenges like climate change and inequality intensify, the demand for the accountability from powerful entities has grown. In summary, I must say accountability is a fundamental principle that promotes responsibility, transparency, and the trust, as well as the mutual understanding across various domains. It ensures that individuals and institutions are answerable for their actions, fostering an environment where ethical behavior is encouraged and upheld. Teacher accountability refers to the idea that teachers should be responsible and answerable for their teaching practices. As I told earlier, what is accountability? Now I am discussing teacher accountability. Accountability take various forms, including evaluation, standardized testing, classroom observation, and performance reviews. The overarching goals of teacher accountability is to ensure that educators are effectively teaching their students and that students are making progress academically. Accountability in teacher education involves ensuring that educators meet established standards and responsibilities in their professional practices. It requires teacher education programs to adhere to quality standards, demonstrate effectiveness, and be answerable for their outcomes. Teacher education accountability refers to the responsibility of teacher preparation programs, educators, and the educational institutions to ensure they meet established standards and deliver high quality education. Teacher accountability is a crucial aspect of education system, emphasizing the responsibility of the educators to ensure their teaching practices lead to meaningful learning outcomes for the students. It involves a variety of measures to assess and monitor the effectiveness of teaching, aiming to improve the overall quality of education. Teacher accountability can be manifested through evaluations, standardized testing, classroom observations, and performance reviews. These tools help determine whether teachers are successfully imparting knowledge and fostering students' development. The core objective of teacher accountability is to guarantee that educators are not only fulfilling their instructional duties but also facilitating academic progress for their students. By holding teachers accountable, educational institutions can ensure that students receive the education they deserve with a focus on both academic achievement and personal growth. This accountability also serves as a mechanism to identify areas where the teachers may need additional support or professional development, ultimately leading to better education outcomes. In the context of teacher education, accountability extends to the programs and institutions responsible for preparing future educators, and these preparation programs are expected to meet rigorous quality standards, ensuring that they effectively equip aspiring teachers with the knowledge, skills, and competencies needed to successful teaching careers. I must say, accountability in this domain always requires that teacher education programs demonstrate their effectiveness through measurable outcomes such as the performance of their graduates in the classroom and their ability to meet established professional standards. I must say, teacher education accountability also involves regular assessment and the review of teacher preparation programs to ensure that they are aligned with current education needs and standards. This ensures that the program remains relevant and responsive to change in the educational landscape. Additionally, it emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement, requiring institutions to be answerable for their outcomes and to make necessary adjustments to enhance the quality of teacher education. Overall, I will say teacher accountability is essential for maintaining high standard in education, ensuring that teachers are well prepared and that their teaching practices lead to successful students' outcome. It promotes a culture of responsibility, transparency, and continuous improvement within the education system. Now, here are some key aspects of teacher accountability. Now, my first aspect is standards compliance. Teacher education programs must adhere to accreditation standards and educational guidelines established by regulatory bodies to ensure that the quality and the effectiveness of their training. Compliance with these standards is crucial for maintaining the credibility and the reliability of the programs. Accreditation bodies such as the National Council for Accreditation of Teacher Education, that means NCATE, or the Council for the Accreditation of Educator Preparation, CAEP, set rigorous benchmarks that teacher education programs must meet. These benchmarks never always cover various aspects of the program, include curriculum design, faculty qualification, students support services, and the assessment practice. Adherence to these standards ensures that teacher preparation programs provide a comprehensive and high quality education that equips future teacher with the necessary skill and knowledge. By meeting these standards, teacher education programs demonstrate their commitment to maintain educational excellence and fulfilling their responsibility to their students as well as the broader community. Now, my next aspect is outcome measurement. We obviously know assessment is the most important part. Assessing the effectiveness of teacher preparation program is a critical component of accountability, and this involves evaluating a range of outcomes such as students' learning achievements, programs completion rate, and the performance of graduates in the real classroom setting. By tracking these outcomes, teacher education programs can determine whether their graduates are adequately prepared to meet the challenges of the teaching profession. Otherwise, they are not. For instance, students' learning outcome can be measured through standardized tests, classroom assessment, and other evaluative tools. Program completion rates provide insight into the program's ability to retain and graduate competent educators. Additionally, I will say the performance of program graduates in the classroom is assessed by their ability to improve students' learning as well as the engagement serves as a key indicator of the program's overall success. Outcome measurement is essential